Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to pin a chat message for a month on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping important information visible at the top of your chat window. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, now's the perfect time to do so. Once you've confirmed that your app is up to date, open WhatsApp and log into your account. Now, navigate to the chat where you want to pin a message. This could be a personal chat or a group conversation. Both work perfectly fine with this feature. Scroll through your messages until you find the one you want to highlight. This could be anything from a reminder to a crucial piece of information that you don't want to miss. To pin the message, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for the Pin option and click on it. This will prompt you to choose how long you want the message to remain pinned. WhatsApp offers 3 time frames: 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. For our purpose today, select the 30 days option. Once you've chosen the duration, confirm the action. Your selected message will now be pinned at the top of the chat window, ensuring it stays visible for the next month. This feature is especially handy in group chats, where important announcements or reminders need to be kept at the forefront. Pinning messages on WhatsApp is not just limited to text. You can also pin media, voice notes, and even emojis. This flexibility makes it easier to highlight any type of important content in your conversations. That's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your most important messages visible for an entire month. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, this feature is sure to streamline your communication and save you time searching for crucial information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates.